and Sevi, and welcome to Yoga Posture Fundamentals. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at SIRSASANA variations, also known as asanas or headstand. I offer 6 steps to SIRSASANA. Step 1 is down facing dog. Let's begin. Sevi. As always, we're going to start with scanning our posture from the bottom to the top. Very often in headstand, I see students not engaging fingertips and knuckles. So you're gonna really put more effort at this portion of your hand. Alright, now rotate your upper arms out to decompress your neck, and with the heels of your palms, press away from the ground to lift your tailbone outwards toward the ceiling. Your feet as wide as your hips. Good job. Now here you can actually bend your knees more to lift your tailbone outwards. Feel it elongate the spine. Good. Alright. Hold here for 5 to 6 breaths. And to release, on your exhale, drop your knees down, come to hero's pose. And that was part 1, down facing dog. Make sure to check out part 2 for plank. And have a great day. Namaste.
Namaste.